Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude. I'm out at Toys R Us in Edmonton, and they've got all new figures. They've got the Dr. Grant Amber collection, which is insanely cool. Finally getting that. Oh my god, they've also got Robert, which is new. I did not see this. Whoops. Oh my goodness. So he comes with a electric prod or something, and he doesn't come with his like signature weapon, which is kind of sad. Grant comes with a flare and a little claw, which is really neat. They've got all the typical stuff on here, but they also have these guys for a great price of $13 each. That's actually really cheap for up here, because usually we get like abysmal prices on these guys, 17 each, crazy. But no, I'm excited that these new figures are out because you can see they're really nicely painted. They've got some cool patterns on them, very colorful. The Mononicus is one of my favorites from the line, just due to all this striping that they put into it. And the nice like shades. You got some browns, some reds. They didn't just put red on the tail. It's very diverse coloration. The teeth are really nice too. They got this green raptor, and then they got Rampharinkus. Loving the colors on that. That is looking really nice with the orange and the white and like this kind of like blackish, maybe a little bit of blue in there. And this raptor's cool. It doesn't have a name, so it's not one of the usual, but the paint job on it's actually really decent for once. It's got a nice soft yellowy white beige-ish color on the chin, the bottom jaw, and then some really good coloration around the eye. It's outlined with that darker color, and then it has the orange pupil. I don't know if there's extra details there, but I love the slit eye too. And the colors continue on the tail, which is really nice. And then they've got the baby Brachio, and they've got Albertosaurus back there. And then they've got this new guy, the Sharingasaurus. It looks like the devil dogs or whatever they're called from Ghostbusters. So that's crazy that they'd add this guy. I think he's from the Permian or Triassic, Permian. And of course they made the head look not accurate, but it's Jurassic World. This body's looking off color from the rest of the legs. Let's get a different one. Maybe they're all like that? I think it's just a camera lens. It looks a lot better in person. Though it looks rough on camera. Look at that orange body and yellow legs. They're fading or something. You can see the neck's on a really large ball joint. It's got really nice articulation there, like the back of the neck too. You can see the details. They've got this almost symmetrical, it's still kind of graded down the back, little bumps, which is really nice. The jaw's got articulation too, but you can see the articulation connector joint. It's not that flush with the neck. If you choose to ignore that triangular cut, it's pretty much fine. Yeah, no, that's really cool that they'd include, I guess that's a mammal-like reptile into the lineup, into the diversity. But yeah, no, really great prices with that. They've got the original Roaring Rex, the one that shakes. It's got like a rubbery tongue too. This one's from the old lineup. And I think they've also got, whoops, they got these guys from the original lineup with the little action features. The tiger stripe raptors are really cool. Great for pack building and photography for Easlosaurus stuff. They got the Rex, the new one with the painted nails and captured gear, which is really cool. I'm kind of shocked that they don't have the Stegosaurus and the Carcharodontosaurus. Those would have been really great. Maybe they sold out already. But they got the action feature Scorpius Rex. I don't think they've ever had the Gyrosphere version, but Walmart's got that here, so that's good. Tons of candy. So it's got those action features and stuff. And you can see the old lineup on the back. Kind of missing seeing it. The Spinoceratops is really neat. Now what's crazy is they really jacked up the prices on these guys. They used to be $27 and now they are $30. which is insane. But you can see there's a lot of detail put into these, and especially with the paint job. Even this little back button here has paint on it, and they molded that spines into the plastic, so it's like a different plastic from the actual switch there. But yeah, no, they got lots of cool red and white on this guy. One of my favorites. If you watch my previous videos, it looks really sick up close. Like, look at that. Herrerasaurus is really cool. It's a nice new addition, new species, and plus since it was featured in the show, it's not too accurate color-wise. I think the show one's brown and purple, but this guy here is Chaos, and I think that's it. I know Metriacanthosaurus is supposed to be out, and then there's Snap Squads down here, the usual for that. Now for Amber Collection, there is Dennis Nedry with the Jeep. Actually, I haven't seen this one in a while, which is kind of sad that it was off shelves for a bit, but now it's come back, which is really nice. I think they dropped down in price. No, it's 47, which is I guess not bad if you look at how much figures cost separately. Like that would be 12, that would be 12, and that would be like 30 or something, or less. So that's like 20 something. But no, I'm nice to see it back on shelves before Christmas time. So hopefully some people get that. It's a fun set to get. Then Hadrosaurus, another legacy figure. This one's $90 up here. I know the States are having sales on this bad boy for 50 and even less. I think like 40 something, which is crazy. But we can't have anything good up here in Canada, which sucks. There hasn't been a sale on Jurassic World stuff like the States have had for, I think, since 2018. Toys R Us used to have 50% off sales before Christmas on Jurassic World, which was crazy. I miss those times. I would like load up on figures I didn't have. I think one time I spent $150 on $300 worth of stuff, so that really saved me that time, but nothing's saving us now because the prices are jacked up and sales are non-existent. Holy cow, that is absolutely new. Thank you, mother. Oh, I saw this on Instagram. What is it? Captives. So Toy Monster, I think it is, the company, was giving these away to people to do reviews, and before the Christmas holidays they'd jack up the advertising on it to really sell them. But holy cow, they come with a whole little case, a bunch of little dinosaurs. I don't have any of these, they're all new. I'm still missing 2 from the last lineup, and I completed the first lineup. But this case is so cool because you can display them inside. It comes with the exclusive gold indominus, so I guess I don't need to track that guy down. That's a cool case. Okay, it looks like I have a place to store them now. That's great. Where was that guy? Just sitting down there. And it is, oh, it's only $30. That's not that bad. And then they have a whole nother wall of just doubles and extras of the larger stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely check out some of my reviews on these figures. So yeah, they'll be on my channel, and then I'll link a few in the end part here. So hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video then.